Okowa, led by our chairman of PDP, Dr. Ayu, who is also our in-law. So you see, we are PDP and PDP is a dome. So on that note, I welcome all of you to this rally. Thank you for coming. They don't know me Lagos. Do you want Gele talks to be completed? Vote for Atiku Abubakar. Do you want a return of the palm plantation? Do you want a return of the palm plantation? Vote for Atiku Okowa. You want economic prosperity? You want economic prosperity? You want job opportunities? You want women inclusion? You want youth inclusion? Vote for Atiku Okowa. And in Edo, do it 4/4. All the candidates of PDP, return them in February and in March. By the grace of God, we shall win and deliver on our promises by the grace of God of resetting Naija. God bless you. PDP! PDP! Lagos! Thank you. They cannot hear you in you. Edo Ide. PDP Edo. Edo is PDP. PDP. Today we are in Edo to make few announcements. There are certain people where you see them they go. You must follow them. Because these are the people that will tell you, don't do what I say, but do what I do. The PDP government that is coming in 2023, I can assure you, is the only government that can restore, is the only government that can rescue Nigeria from the present situation. The next PDP government, led by Atiku Abubakar, and also a brother, Okowa. Make I tell you one thing before I drop microphone.
go in overnight. When I see what thing that happen for Britain, they carry person where they think say na JJC come government house. You don't run no. I say don't run. I say don't run with you don't run. For Nigeria, we need person where Sabi road. Who be that person? I can't hear you. Which party didn't be By the time you vote PDP and Atiku, I can promise you all this water where they see. What are the people?
My people of Edo State, I want Britain well. I want Britain well. Because 2 years ago, when we come to election for here, when I know what to do, and you put made us proud. And I'm very proud of Edo State. God will bless all of you for ensuring that my brother became the governor with a landslide victory. They thought we could not do it, but we suppressed them. And to God be the glory. And why is that choice great for the people of the Naija Delta and the people of Edo State and the South? The choice is great because Atiku understands the problems in the Naija Delta. He has done the states. He knows all the states of Naija Delta. And it was during their time they established the NDDC. It was during his time as vice president that they established the NDDC. And the NDDC was doing well. But in the last 7 years, we have not seen the hand of NDDC in our states. Because those who came in, the APC government, did not know the purpose for which the NDDC was established. A lot of institutions have been established that have not been put into effective use because they did not know what this came all about. The PDP government knows how to run the economy in such a manner that it will be good for the youths and the women and for all Nigerians. But unfortunately, in the last 7.5 years, it has been hunger, it has been poverty, and our people are dying, and our people are unhappy. We have brought a man who we know is able to restore our economy and ensure that there's creation of more jobs and that our youth are able to get employment. That is Atiku Abubakar. And one other good thing, he's the only man that understands the issues of the states. That the states need more money, the states need more power. And he has promised us that he's going to devote to every state government and to the local governments. That is what we need to develop our states. He's the only presidential candidate who is sincere to this and has been talking about it. And those of us in the South and in the Naija Delta, we believe in him. And I want to plead that all our youths should go forth and start to convince all other youths that the new Nigeria that we need, the Nigeria that will create hope for you and I, is when Atiku Abubakar is Mr. President. To God be the glory, he has chosen one of us, myself, a son of the South, as his running mate. I want to reassure you, and I hope that you also know that I'm passionate from Edo State, because my grandmother is from our local government. And one of you, and together, we shall deliver the votes that whenever Atiku come as president of this country, and by special grace of God, we will work with the governor and all of you to deliver Nigeria from hunger and to deliver Nigeria from insecurity. Edo in the coming elections, Edo must not carry last. Edo must carry first, because this state is the heart of the issue of the nation. We know what is your problem in this country. Your problem is bad governance by that party. There is hunger in the land. You don't need to pay anybody. There is insecurity in the land. You can't sleep in your house and feel safe. Everything about Nigeria is going down. There is disunity everywhere because of bad policies. My brothers and sisters in Edo State, the People's Democratic Party is presenting you two-in-one, two outstanding people who are experienced, who know what to do, who have done it before, and who will do it again. The first one is my brother and friend, Atiku, former Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He will be ably assisted by a performing governor, and you know very well from the experience in the state, PDP governors perform. They are performing governor, but this is an outstanding performing governor, a medical doctor, an experienced grassroots politician, an experienced national politician, Arthur Ifeanyi Okowa, governor of Delta State, who is going to be the next vice president of the country. Edo people for sticking together with PDP. Edo not be Lagos. Even for the Lagos lie. Now, today we are before you to reiterate our commitment. I will restate our 5-program commitment to the people of this country. One, we have promised to reunify this country. What do we mean by that? We mean we are going to give each and every part of this country a sense of belonging. You will not be excluded in anything. That is why we are being referred to as unifiers of our great nation. Two, we promise to restore security. Whatever it is going to take us to do, we shall restore the security in this country, so that you can travel day and night, so that you can go to your farms, so that you can go to anywhere secured. By that, what we mean is that we will put more policemen on the streets. We will equip them. We will fortify them. And since we have promised to devolve more powers to the states and local governments, you can also have your own local police. And we shall make sure your local police don't harass you. Three, we said we will send all our eligible children to school. They must go to school. Every child must go to school. If you remember, during the PDP years, we established primary school education compulsory from primary to secondary school. Then we are taxing Nigerians to educate these children. But this government is not keeping to that promise. We promise you every child must go to school. And our universities will not go on strike. We promise you that one. By the grace of God. Again, we promise to revive the economy of this country. What do we mean by that? We mean we will make sure that our industries, our factories resume production in this country. We will make sure that there are enough jobs for our youth who are passing out from the schools. This is what we mean by reviving the economy. We will work together with the private sector to make sure that industries, factories, particularly here in Edo, resume operations so that there will be enough jobs for you. Again, we have promised the infrastructural development in the country, particularly in Edo here, linking Edo with the south and linking Edo to the north. We will make sure all these roads are rehabilitated and they are more trouble. What is most important in a large country like Nigeria is to make sure that we have an efficient rail system. We will and we shall, together with the private sector, make sure that we have rail established across this country so that you can move freely as well as also your goods and services move across the country. Now, Edo people, you are known to be a PDP state. Continue to stick to PDP. PDP will be loyal to you. PDP will pay you back. You have seen how APC has destroyed this country, destroyed the economy of this country. They have destroyed your educational opportunities. They have destroyed your job opportunities. APC is not a party to be supported. Therefore, we call on you to continue to be loyal to PDP, and PDP will be loyal to you.